How to Find Someone's Location by Phone, Full Legal Guide. Welcome back to How to Mastery. Today, I'll show you the correct and legal ways to find someone's location using their phone. But important note, you must have the person's consent. Tracking someone without permission is a violation of privacy and could be illegal. If it's an emergency or someone is missing, contact local authorities right away. Method 1. Google Maps location sharing. First, the easiest and most reliable way is Google Maps location sharing. Both people must agree. Ask the person to open Google Maps, tap their profile, and choose location sharing. They can select how long to share and choose you from their contacts or send a link. Once they share, you'll see their live location in your Google Maps app. This is perfect for meeting up, keeping family safe, or temporary sharing. Method 2. WhatsApp live location. If both of you use WhatsApp, they can share live location there. In a chat, they tap the paperclip or plus, choose location, then share live location, and pick the duration. You'll see their movement in real time inside the chat. This is ideal for short-term sharing when someone is traveling or you're meeting them. Method 3. Find My Device, Find My iPhone. If the person gives you their account credentials, only do this with explicit consent. You can use Find My Device for Android or Find My iPhone for iPhone to locate the device. A better option is for them to log in themselves and share their device location with you temporarily. Never ask for someone's password unless they offer it willingly. Method 4. Family sharing and parental controls. For families, use built-in services like Google Family Link or Apple Family Sharing. These let parents or guardians see device locations and set safety controls, but they must be set up intentionally and with account owner awareness. Method 5. Using a mobile carrier. Legal process. If you need to locate someone for safety reasons and they won't or can't share, contact the mobile carrier, but carriers only provide location data under strict rules, usually requiring law enforcement requests or court orders. Tell viewers, if it's serious or an emergency, go to the police. They can formally request location info from the carrier. Emergency steps. If someone is missing or in danger, don't try covert tracking. Call local emergency services immediately and provide the phone number, recent locations, and any other info. Emergency responders have legal channels to get precise location data. Privacy and safety tips. Always get consent. Use location sharing that's temporary. Turn off sharing when it's no longer needed. Don't install tracking apps on someone else's phone without explicit agreement. Respect privacy and follow your country's laws. Closing. That's the full legal guide to finding someone's location using their phone. Consent first, lawful channels for serious cases, and emergency services when necessary. If you want, I can shorten this into a 60-second script for YouTube Shorts or make a version in Urdu. Hit like,